If you've ever wanted to make extra money but felt confused about where to start, this video is for you. These are some of the easiest side hustles anyone can start even with no experience, no fancy skills, and little to no money. Let's get into it. Side Hustle 1. Online microtasks. Microtasks are small online jobs that pay you for simple work. Things like reviewing content, labeling images, answering short questions, or testing websites. You don't need experience. You don't need special equipment. All you need is a phone or laptop and internet access. It's one of the fastest ways beginners can start earning online. Side Hustle 2. Selling digital products. Digital products are items you create once and sell over and over again. Examples include planners, templates, worksheets, checklists, or simple guides. You don't need to be an expert. If you can organize information or create something helpful, you can sell it. This side hustle is powerful because it doesn't depend on location and can earn money even while you sleep. Side Hustle 3. Freelance simple skills. You don't need to be a professional to freelance. Basic skills like typing, data entry, social media posting, simple designs, or virtual assistants are always in demand. Many people start by offering just one simple service and improve as they go. Clients care more about reliability than perfection. Side Hustle 4. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and hoodies without holding inventory. When someone places an order, the product is printed and shipped automatically. You only focus on the design and marketing. This works worldwide and doesn't require upfront stock. Side Hustle 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means recommending products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You can promote products through social media, blogs, or short videos. You don't need to create your own product or handle customer service. It's beginner-friendly and works in almost every country. Side Hustle 6. Content creation. You don't need to show your face to make money online. You can create content using slides, stock videos, animations, or voiceovers. Many people earn from short videos, educational content, or motivational clips. This side hustle grows slowly, but it can become very powerful over time. Important reminder: no side hustle makes you rich overnight. The easiest ones still require consistency and patience. Start small, learn as you go, and focus on one side hustle at a time. If you're a beginner, pick just one idea from this list and start today. Don't wait until everything is perfect. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly side hustle ideas. Thanks for watching.